Do you want to learn how to change email on BlueSky Social? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So first, open up your BlueSky Social app or website, and on the app, you will have menu icon on the top left corner. Click it, and then click on Settings. On the right, click on Account, and then you will see Change Email button. Click on this. Under this, enter your new email address below. Change your email address. Write in the new email address that you want to associate with your BlueSky Social account. Once written, click on Request Change. Now it's going to ask you for the code, and it's going to send an email, and the email has been sent to your previous email, which was set here before. Now you will have a new email which says email update requested. Go inside it. You will have these codes. Copy them. Go to BlueSky, paste them over here, and then click on Confirm Change. Now it says that the email is updated. Your email has been updated but not verified. As a next step, please verify your new email. So let's click on this and send confirmation code. Now it's going to ask confirmation code for the new email address. Now head over to that email, the new email, and then over here you will have this new email. You will have these new codes. Copy them, go back to BlueSky, paste them, and confirm. And now you have successfully changed to new email address on your BlueSky Social account. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.